And I make sure I unload enough stuff to where I got my field on mark. I usually do have a room here. But I got a tail.
Yeah, I had one of my clients to the dentist.
As long as I can find it.
Fix some stuff. And he said, well, just I said, well, what do you want? And then when they came by the office, gave me like 100 different ones. Because he would bend them and use them on special things, but he would use them on one job and then he would just throw it away.
Wow.
So I got all of those. I mean, I use everything, every Dremel tool.
No, I like this here. I do like this one.
At least try to get the past 2 shows or so.
That's close to
You know how long you been in the club?
I forgot my bag. I can't even find it.
Mine's, that's a tough, this guy probably knows more about old teams.
You don't see them too often. Everybody's got to have a dead battery.
That's how you test her good right there.
Yeah, you did some work for Joel.
Extra.
Joel Gray.
Post office back to that. Post office
Okay, thank you.
$30 last can.
Oh yeah.
Mark 85 for that one. Not this one, but Mark 30.
No, not at all.
30?
Yep.
Except for that one young kid that was here for a little bit. He's the only one that seems
I'm
to be
surprised this didn't go. I done a pretty good job of redoing that. 95.
Yeah, my daughter will do that in a few years.
Lower the price on these radios. Check them out.
Papa, you sure do have a whole lot of junk.
Sale.
I got 50
Sale time.
Such a deal.
50 of them.
That is talking boss. You see better
Wow.
than radios.
They get
Get rid of 7 boxes of stuff.
and they got more. Piano, like the difference between a ham sandwich and a steak dinner. You understand what I'm saying?
There's a big difference, yeah.
And people move all the time.
Yeah.
I think
Lots of stuff in there, guys. Lots of stuff.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Doing good.
if you sold me in 1975, then I was doing 9 iron cars. I didn't know
This Kodos right there.
That's better. Okay. That's a better microphone. Okay, hey, we're going to be getting this auction started in just a few minutes here. If you don't have a paddle yet, come and see Bonnie with $2. Get a paddle. She's got number 5. We've only got 4 so far. Come on, guys. Hey, we need more than 4 buyers.
Sweet potatoes and yams.
We're starting in about 5 minutes here. We got lots of stuff here.
It's just,
So all the money goes to the club.
it just all depends on.
Buy pizza, which you can eat starting about 10:30. Are we having pizza at 10:30? Pizza at 10:30.
It's certified.
Hey, everybody get down here. Come on, let's get this auction going.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tons of stuff out there. Yeah, the first radio, shortwave radio I ever bought was on.
All right, he found something good over here. Okay, let's get the auction started here. Hey, first thing is this little tube-type portable radio here. Stuart Warner. Hey, Stuart Warner, come on. Somebody get this thing started with $3 bid. $3 bid to get started. $3 bid, $2 bid, $2 bid. Somebody $2 bid. $1. Somebody bid $1 for this radio. Okay, we're gonna put something with it. We'll put this bedside radio here. A Mitchell. Now we got a Mitchell and a Stuart Warner. Let's go back to the $3. $3, 2 radios. It's $1.50 a piece. Come on, guys. $2. That's $1 a piece. Hey, Bruce, where are you at? The knobs are worth that. Did you say $2?
I said the knobs are.
You get a General Electric with it too. Now we got 3 radios for $2. We're looking for $2 bid. Somebody, anybody? Come on, somebody bid. Somebody bid.
Got a bid right here, sir.
You got a bid. We got a $2 bid there.
Oh.
Anybody gonna go for 3? Once twice sold to number 2 for $2.
Roger.
Okay, Roger.
Yeah, you got it
Put
in.
Roger's radio.
Oh, yeah. It's gonna rock and rolling, guys. Come on.
Okay, we got a horn without the bass.
That's a good one. I brought that in just for you.
It's an Atwater Cant loudspeaker. Is it? Okay, I from an expert in the crowd, I hear that this is actually a urinal.
Thank you very much, sir.
Hey, it's good looking.
Put it up to your ear.
Doesn't need to be repainted or anything. How about a
Those
$3
old
bid
movies
to
or
start?
cartoons.
$3 to start. Got a $3 bid to start.
That's what I see when I...
How do you flush it?
Go get a number. Go get a number. We got a $3 bid potentially. Anybody going to go for $4? $4?
We have
Once
something to talk about.
Price sold to number 10
You too.
for
We'll see you next week.
$3. Okay, we got some test equipment here.
Yeah.
We got a realistic tube tester. We got a little voltmeter here, micrometer, and we also have a DC voltmeter. Goes up to 200 volts. In a nice wooden box. There's 3 pieces here. 3 pieces of test equipment. $5. Somebody started off at $5. That's the starting price. That's not where you're buying it. Come on, $5. Somebody, anybody? Got a $5 bid? We got a $5 bid. Anybody going to go for $7? $7, $6? Sold to number 7 for $5. You want to come and take the stuff away? 2 radios for $2.
AC radios. AC radios.
How about $1? Somebody? Okay, we got a $1 bid. Anybody going to go for 2? No? Good. Sold to number 2 for $2. Okay. Let's get this looks like a Garrett Cadillac, but it's not. Got a 2-type radio. I don't even know what it is. Yeah, it's an AC radio. Good. How about a $2 bill? Got bulbs in it? Yeah, it's got some bulbs in it. Good.
Got a speaker.
Got a speaker. $2 bid. $2 bid. $1 bid. Somebody $1? You know, we got pizza we have to pay for. Come on, guys. $1? Let's put another radio with it. Put that AM, FM, General Electric.
One's
AM,
AC,
FM.
the other one's AC.
Okay, another AC radio. $1 for the 2 radios. $1 for 2 radios. We got a $1 bid.
Got a speaker.
Anybody going to go for $2?
Got a
$2?
variable capacitor.
Sold the number 2 for $1. 2 radios. Hey, we got bargains here.
Transformer.
Yeah, late 40s, Philco. How about a $5 bill? $5 bill, somebody $5 bill? Hey, we got a $5 bid. $5, anybody at 6?
Got a power cord.
$6, got a cord and everything. $5 sold to number, turn it over. Number 4 for $5. Oh,
54.
we gotta wait for the cashier to write that down. $5 to number 4. I don't want to get that backwards because it costs us a lot. Okay, we got a little what kind of radio is that? RCA solid state.
6-volt DC.
6-volt DC transistorized radio. How about $1? Somebody had $1. Come on, $1 radio. No? No? Nobody had $1? Put something else with it. Yeah, let's see. We've got no more transistors. Yeah, we've got a nice little, good looking little backlight radio
Got a
here.
power cord.
Got a power cord. We got tubes inside. It's a Sentinel. Okay. Now we'll stay at $1 to start, but we ain't gonna stay there. Come on, somebody bid $1. We got the Sentinel and the little transistor radio. $1. Somebody, we got $1 here. How about $3? Somebody at $3. Somebody at $3. Hey, the alternator bid $3. I bid $3. How about $4? Come on, $4. Come on, I don't want this damn thing. Come on, anybody? Nobody? Sold to number 1 for $3. There you go.
$1 now.
Okay.
Coffee cup.
Maybe just point to
Too worried. Come on with more.
This is a radio with parts.
But you did well.
Well grounded. Okay, what is that, a Majestic? Some kind of a Majestic. Yeah, Majestic. Yeah, it's got a good looking cabinet and a chassis.
Variable capacitor.
Some assembly required.
No.
How about $5? Somebody at $5. Somebody $4. Got a $4 bid. Got $4. Anybody at 5? Nobody at 5? Nobody at 5 sold for. Okay. Sold for $4. Did you get that, Bonnie? Number 3. Okay. What we got here? We got a whole box of knobs, lots of knobs. Some for radios, some for computers, some for CD players, some for televisions. Coffee maker. How about? And what do you got in your hand there? A grill cloth and Crosley, front of a Crosley. Okay. How about $3? Somebody $3. All these knobs. Here, look at all these knobs. If you need one knob, this is a bargain. Come on. $3, $2. Somebody $2. $2. Somebody $2. We got a $2 bid. Got a $2 bid. Anybody 3? No? Okay, sold for number 2 for $2. $2 Chuck there. Okay. Okay, now we've got a little.
We just had some of those display plates. Some that used to be my mother's. She used to collect them for years.
Yeah, it's a little radio with a tag
And
on
I
the bottom.
probably
There we
gave
go.
her many of them because I was
It's a Farnsworth. Okay, a little Farnsworth, little 5-tube radio. Cabinet's not broke. Power cord. Got a chassis inside. How about a $5 bill? Got a $5 bill. How about a $3 bill? $3 bill. Come on, we got a $3 bill here. Good. $3. Does anybody want to pay $4? Does anyone want to pay $4? No? No? Okay, sold to number 2 for $3. Okay, let's see. Now we got a little Philco. What year is that?
Yeah. And that's where I learned because I was going to have to redo the photograph too.
Model 41, 1941 Philco with push buttons. Wood cabinet radio. Got a power cord, got tubes in there. Does it have tubes? No, no tubes. But it has capacitors. It's got an IF coil.
Yeah, we drop it in everything. We do that.
Hey, the price is going up. How about a $3 bid? Come on, we got a $3 bid. Anybody at $4? $4? Anybody at $4? Got a $4 bid. How about $5? $5 bid. How about 6? Got 6. 7. 10. We got a $10 bid. How about $12? $12. Yeah, look at it. Here we got $12. We got $12. $15. Come on. 20. We got $20. Okay. Why'd we sell all this other stuff? We should have just sold this one radio. We got $25 bid. Got $25 bid. Going once, twice, sold to number, is that 6 or 9? 6. Number 6 for $25. Thank you. Okay. Now that we're getting into the higher price stuff here, we've got a big slide Stuart Warner here. White. Ivory cabinet. I don't see any cracks or breaks.
It's got an antenna on the back.
It's got an antenna on the back. That's an unusual place for an antenna. On my radios are on top. Okay, how about a $5 bid? It's model 61. Made in the United States of America. No tariff. No tariff on this. No tariff on this. Come on, guys. $5. $5. $5. $5. $4. $4. Somebody $3. Okay, the auctioneer bids $3. Anybody at $4? Come on, $4. You can get it. $4. Sold to number 1 for $3. Yeah, that's